Good morning, good afternoon, good whenever you guys are watching this. Welcome back to a brand new episode. I'm bringing you guys some guts and glory, but none of this is actually going into the guts and glory video. This is the vlog, ladies and gentlemen. So yes, you guys, I'm recording a new Guts and Glory video. I am going to kick that off here in just a second. I've got OBS running right now. I've got Guts and Glory running in the background. I'm going to start my recording session and jump into this.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
And it's time to get back to the shop now. I've recorded 2 videos today. We have a few and Guts and Glory, so this one will be out probably before the Guts and Glory video. The We Happy View will probably be first. It'll come out Tuesday. I believe this will come out Wednesday, and then Guts and Glory Thursday. Woo! Got a cough, but I've got to get back to blacksmithing. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back upstairs and make myself some coffee first, because I need it.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
What do you guys think of my headband? It's got little peppers on it. I bought it just for that reason, because I'm gonna wear it now whenever I film Time for a Meeting, because it's got little peppers on it. See them? Little pepper. Well, technically they're big peppers. They take up most of it. Oh my gosh, you guys! I've been down here all day today. This is where we're at on this knife. You see those bevels are going in there decently well. They're a little bit out of place right now, so I've got to kind of correct that on that one. This one is coming along. It still needs to be thinned a lot. I'm probably gonna put this one off until I put in an order of $160 worth of grinding belts. So I'm probably gonna wait, you guys, until that comes in. And then from there, I'll get back to grinding on that, because it's just such a thick piece that I need something sharper than what I currently have. The belts that I have are like from the sword build. So yeah, they're pretty old, you guys. You guys were here when I started the sword build. So that's how old they are. They're as old as I've been on YouTube. Some of them are even older, you guys. But I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna try to hand file some of these bevels in, see how it goes. But let's get into it. Alright, you guys, well, that's it for this day. I'll see you guys in the next day in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Good morning, people. Welcome back. The next day, what is today, Tuesday? Today is Tuesday, holy crap. And I'm off to work. I'm closing at the place that no wait. I'm not quite opening, I'm a mid-shift today. 10 to like 5:30, so. I'm gonna head in. Let's do this. It's a gorgeous day out here in Kentucky though. I like this shirt a lot. I just picked it up. I think I've still got a sticker on it somewhere. I need to find that. But, oh well. I'm gonna head into work here in just a couple minutes. I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy my coffee. So, I'm gonna do that until it's time to go. I'm gonna listen to my audiobooks too. I'm listening to, I think it's Full Black by Brad Thor. I really like Brad Thor's novels. They're top notch, man. Top notch. So that's what I'm listening to right now. If I'm not listening to this, I'm listening to a podcast, either Serial, talking about a murder trial, and then Hardcore History is probably my favorite podcast. Going over different history stuff. I've been listening to the World War I podcast a lot lately, but I'm gonna get ready to go in, you guys. I'll see you when I get off. Probably for lunch is when I'll see you next. Okay, it's time for lunch. What should I get today? Should I get Zaxby's? Zaxby's or Culver's? Zaxby's it is. Good choice, you guys. I didn't give you any time to decide. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna eat it anyways. I got my Culver's. Just ripped my bag. But I'm gonna go eat it, you guys. It's gonna be tasty. I'm off work and I'm home. Listening to my books on tape, but I gotta edit a video real quick because I haven't done the gaming video. I'm behind, you guys. I'm officially behind again now. I'm so sorry. Okay, you guys, so the day is wrapping up now, which means I am going to clock off for the day. So give it a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and give it a share if you felt like you deserved it, you guys. Let me know if you guys enjoy this blacksmithing stuff and the knife making stuff as much as I enjoy making it for you guys. Yeah, let me know down below. Leave a comment. I'm fond of all your all's faces, and I will see you tomorrow.